Hi guys, let's prepare raspberry flavored sabudana drink. Take 250 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavored jelly mixture, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir it continuously and cook it on a medium flame. Then cool it at a room temperature and transfer it in a container and freeze it. To prepare sabudana pulse, take 500 ml of water and add sabudana pulse. Cook it on a medium flame and let it cook till it becomes transparent. Strain it and pour cold water. Then take a jelly and cut it into pieces. Take a bowl, in that pour milk, add sugar and raspberry syrup. Mix it well. Then add sabudana pulse and strawberry jelly. Mix it well and freeze it to get little bit thick consistency. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share, and if you are new, then subscribe.